needs of the different segments of the youth. Like at the Ministry of Youth and Sports of Southwest State of Somalia, we have programs called, like one is called civic education, which aims, to educate the youth on their rights, the laws, the mechanisms in place. There is another program called Every Voice Counts. This program is intended to mobilize the youth to actively participate in the political decision-making process. And thanks to the Peace Building Fund and thanks to UN Habitat and UNFPA, we have the Peace Building Fund program at the ministry that aims to empower the youth, to include them, or the inclusion of youth in the political decision-making process. Like another program is called Youth at Risk. That program specifically targets those young boys or girls who might happen to work, with the extremist guys. In Somalia we have the problem with extremists or terrorist-related groups. So youth who happen to work with them and now decide to come back and live as a normal life within their society. This program is called Youth at Risk. So when they come back, they are mobilized, trained, life skills lessons, and after a certain period of time, they are given economic reintegration initiatives or responses that make them come back to their normal life and then integrate with their people, not only socially but economically, like skills development programs that makes them get employment jobs, or entrepreneurship trainings with a business startup support that gives them the chance to start new life after what they have gone through. The other question was from the lady in back. I think it was how to sustain or make sure that youth and women are included in the political and decision-making process, if I'm correct, in peace building. Yes. Me